Very good morning to all of you. My name is Shruti Mishra, and today we will discuss about the entrepreneurship development. Uh, it's basically for the BBA, BCom, BBA LLB, and BCom LLB 6 semester students. Now let's talk about the factors which actually affect the startup or the business of the in the different dimensions. There are the three factors. First is technological, second one is social, third one is competitive. Now, the technological factor is basically the technology which we see that is on a daily basis it is changing. On a very rapid fast growth it is changing, and with those technological changes, technological advancement, organization also need to change themselves. If they're not going to change, they're not going to survive in the market. So it's basically like if the organization is using the old technological technical machineries, they'll not able to survive in the market because they'll not able to grow positively. We can say they're not able to grow in the market. But similarly, on the other side, if if the organizations who are having a very advanced technologies and dealing with the day to day only with the automated technologies, so in that particular case they will able to survive in the market in the better. There are the certain type of technologies which has been given the slide. This is the technology and the communication infrastructure. Obviously technology has a biggest role in the communication also. So technology and the communication infrastructure, which is a basic part of the organization. Legislation around the technology, consumer access to the technology, competitor technology. These are the certain type of technologies which has been discussed. You can understand with the slide very easily. Next is socio-cultural factors. Socio-cultural factors is basically the people around us, the society, their societal norms, their values, their beliefs, their cultures, their lifestyles, and everything which can impact the organization on one or the other way is a socio-cultural factors. When we establish our business, we try to understand what type of market we're going to tap, what type of customers we're going to focus, what type of product we're going to make for them. These all are the part of the socio-cultural factors. So these are the very important factors which actually affect the startup or the business or the entrepreneur in the in the very important in a very crucial manner. So social cultural factors include anything within the context of the society that has a potential to affect an organization, as we have discussed earlier. Population, demographics, rising educational norms, levels, norms and values, and attitude towards the social responsibility are the examples of the socio-cultural variables. So the different demographics we talk about, like the age, gender, marital status, educational levels, norms, values, beliefs, attitudes. These all are the factors which actually affect the startup or which actually affect the business in the organization. That these are the competitive factors which other 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 competitors can definitely deal with these factors. Uh, 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 but these are certain factors. These are unfair advantages with, with which no one can deal them, because these are the factors which is important for the one of the organization, because they have a certain type of core competency, they have a certain type of capabilities, they have a certain type of skills which other companies are not having. So this is all for the today. We'll discuss the next topic again with a new session. Thank you so very much.